Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Dee Does Things. Today we're gonna switch it up a bit and we're gonna do our first mukbang reaction video. I'm happy you guys are back and watching another video. So, as you guys know, mukbangs are usually those videos where the people come on the camera and they have like that whole mat or that whole big ass bowl of whatever meal they're trying that day, and it has like the foods from that meal, and it's just, I don't know, it looks like 6 meals combined into one, or a heart attack waiting to happen. Oh my gosh, I see these people and I'm like, yeah, I understand why you're obese. Like, cause I was watching one by this kid named Nikki Avocado or so. It was something of the sorts. I'm looking at these videos from 2017 and I'm looking at the videos in 2019. He started like a skinny ass kid and now he has boobs. Honestly, they need to tell me how much they're paying them to do these mukbangs, because if I'm supposed to sit over here and eat all this food and act like a fool just to get paid $100,000 every month, sign me up. Where do I sign the papers? That's some good money just to gain a little fat, a little pounds, a little breast. I could lose that. I'll work, get my money, and then we get a personal trainer. We'll work from there. You gotta think about the future. Sometimes you have to sacrifice. Wow, man. What I would use that money for. But yeah, I see them eating. I see them eating all types of foods. They're talking while they're eating. That's something my mom told me not to do when I was younger. But it's cool all in all, because you get to see like some of these reactions. Oh my god, foolish, 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 foolish. So since it's my first mukbang reaction video, one day I hope we get out of this quarantine so I can go to the store, go to like Ben's Crab Shack or whatever, and get like a pot for a mukbang and have like a guest and we could talk. But for today, I already ate my dinner, so there's nothing for me to show you guys. But we're gonna be watching mukbangers dipping their food in too much sauce for 3 minutes and 48 seconds straight. I haven't watched this video, so we're going to be watching it together and you're going to see my reaction. I changed my headpiece that I had on to put on this cap. This is my go-to cap because it was not a good fit for the camera. I'm sorry. Wait. I'm about to break this computer. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Oh my god. That's nasty. Oh my god, that's literally nasty. What cheese is that? I hope that's not American cheese. Oh no.
I love pickles.
I'm really about to get... no. Because why did he deep throat it? This is the one, Nikado. Nikado
no,
avocado.
No, you're not going to do that. Yes, you are.
No, you're not. What the fuck? I hate this shit. I don't like when people chomp their mouth. You are not a fucking horse. Oh my god! This must be the ASMR. Cause no way. She looks clean. She looks like she's the cleanest one out of all these motherfuckers.
So far I like it. Like from my first bite. Yeah.
I guess you like it.
Really good. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my god. What? What? Is she a porn star? Why is she eating from the side like that? That was a little weird. Oh my god. I don't know if I can do this. Like, I don't know if I can watch these videos. It's like making me... It's giving me goosebumps. Oh god.
And obviously, guys, you know, if it drips
Here
a
we
little
go
bit
with
into the
this
sauce, that's
fish.
okay because I'm the only one eating from this ever.
Wow.
Here we go. Here we go.
Doesn't that look nice?
They only
We're
eat
gonna make it
seafood?
really cheesy,
I thought it was other stuff.
very thick, and delicious.
What sauce is this? Everybody has this damn sauce. I never had this sauce when I eat seafood. And the seafood that they're eating, it's like, it's so chewy. It's like a rubber. No, because every one of them that was eating that seafood, it was like... What is going on? I actually want to watch another one right now. I'm intrigued. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I hope you guys enjoyed that. My reaction to the video. Like, subscribe, comment, and make sure you press that bell so you know when I'm posting. Definitely comment what other mukbangs you think I should check out, because this seems really cool to watch.